Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you people are fine and enjoying your online studies and working harder than ever. This is your English teacher from Absex Fort Road. In this week we are doing unit number 2 and the name of this unit is Stories. We are going to start lesson 3, Make a Superhero, and book pages page number 24 of your learner's book. On this page, some instructions are given to draw a superhero. Remember, instructions always start with verb. When we give any instruction, command, or make any request in a sentence, such type of sentences are called imperatives. So, along with the reading, in this lesson, there is a grammatical concept which you are going to learn, and that is imperatives. I repeat, imperatives are sentences which have commands, instructions, or requests. As you can see, some instructions are given on this page for making superhero. Number 1, draw your superhero's head. Number 2, draw a simple stick person with a circle for head. These are guidelines for your superhero drawing. You can see that these the guidelines which are given on this page, they all start with verb. Now underline all the instructions which have been given on this page to draw a superhero. In this lesson, your written task is to write a recipe of making tea or tang. You have choice, either you can take tea or tang. For example, if you are taking tang to write a recipe, you can start like that. Number 1, take a jug. Number 2, pour 3 glasses of water. And number 3, add 2 tablespoons of tang, etc. etc. In these sentences which I have just spoken, you can see that all the sentences start with verb. So in this way, you can complete your recipe of making tang. Then go through the language detective box on page number 25 of your learner's book. Now coming to words, task 2. Task 3, you are going to read the story and its name is The Seekers, and book pages are page number 28 and 29. The story is about a wicked tribe called Digons. They captured the peaceful kingdom of Reban. There was only one way to save the kingdom from wicked tribe, and that was 3 magic stones that were hidden in a secret place. So after reading this story with correct pronunciation, what you will do next? You will underline some difficult words, and these words are tribe, captured, peaceful, kingdom, guardian, discover, sword, and countryside. Since you have read the story, so after reading the story of these 2 tribes, now you will find out the values which can be learned from the story. Now the question is, what are values? Values means some principles, or you can say beliefs that help you to decide what is right and what is wrong, and how to act and behave in different situations. Coming towards task 4, in this task, now you people are going to write a story. Earlier, you have read the story, The Seekers. You found out the difficult words from the story, and now you are going to write a story. Please be creative and imaginative while writing. First of all, make web on the work page. As you can see, the web is made on this page. So when you start your story, first of all, as always, choose a suitable title for your story. Then choose characters who will take part in your story. Then choose settings, means places where the actions are going to occur. And then write your story with proper sequence. This is the most important thing in story writing, that there should be proper sequence, so that it should be easier for reader to understand what is the story about. And then at the end you will write moral of your story. Keep one thing in your mind while writing, that your story should have proper beginning, middle and end. Success criteria of this lesson is: follow instructions while making a superhero, give clear instructions for making recipe, use dictionary to find out meanings, and write a story with proper beginning, middle and end. This is all about today's lesson. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you to complete your assignments of week 6. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.